Hey there, another tip from Herman, Simple Man, Simple Life. Hope everyone's doing well. Staying healthy and safe during this COVID. It's lightening up a bit, but we all know it can come back, especially during the holidays. So just saying, be careful. But anywho, what I was thinking, I have a Keurig machine right here. Nice Keurig machine. Love it. You know what I mean? You got the pods, you put the pods in here. Normal pods in here. Push it down, bang, bang, you make it. Everyone who has the Keurig, you know what I'm talking about. But in this day and age, we want to save a little bit of money. And those pods are really expensive. So you know what I found on Amazon? I'm not doing any advertising. These little pods, right? Let's see, I got a couple here. So on Amazon, it was like 6 for, I don't know, 20 bucks. You fill it up with your coffee, or tea, or whatever you put in here. Put them in there. Voila. Lasts you a while. You're going to buy a big thing of coffee. Cover the name because I'm not advertising for anyone. Big thing of coffee. Seal that up. Put it into something like this. A little bit at a time so that doesn't go stale by opening and closing it. Fill these pods up. I've been using that one can and I get like I do 2 coffees a day. I've been using that one can for almost a month. And you can imagine how much those Keurig pods, if you had to buy a month's worth. I think out here in Canada, it's what? $18 for, I don't know, 15, 20, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is a good idea. So don't get discouraged when you see the Keurig, whether you have one or you want to buy one because you think it's expensive. You get these portable pods, you fill it up, bada bang is all good. Have a good day.